Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Reuben Lama back on IDALS with a very new tutorial. Yes, today's song is gonna be Kun Faya Kun from the movie Rockstar by our favorite Mohit Chauhan. Yes, and Rahul aka Blue and Rahul aka Kattu will be there with me throughout. Yes, and let's not waste our time today and quickly start with the choreography. Hey all, what's up? Welcome back to IDALS and I'm really happy to see you again. So yes, today we'll be learning a new tutorial. The name of the song is Kun Faya Kun. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you must have heard it's from the movie Rockstar. And Ranbir Kapoor, a lot of favorite actors there. Yeah. So yes, before I start the choreography, I'd like you all to listen to the song once. Yeah, it's a pretty long song of 7 to 8 minutes. So I want you all to sit down, take your time of 7 to 8 minutes and listen to the song thoroughly and get the vibe of it, because if you are not in the vibe, then it'll be difficult for you all to catch up or to feel the steps or the choreography that I'm going to teach. Yeah. Also, this song is really special. Yeah, to me and to my friends also. Yeah, we have choreographed it together. Well, yes, before I start with that, we have Rahul Ahirwar on my right. Yeah, and we have Rahul Kataria on my left. Yes. And your boy Reuben, yeah, who doesn't need an introduction. So yeah, before I start the choreography, as I told you, please sit down for 7 to 8 minutes and listen to the track completely from the start to the end. And if you want to close your eyes and get into the zone, then please do get into the zone, meditate, sleep, whatever. Yeah, don't sleep, just get in. Yes, but please get into the zone and then start with the tutorial. Yeah, please do that. Yes, so begin with it. Let's just directly start with the choreography. Yeah, it starts from around 5 minutes something seconds. Yeah, 15 or 25 seconds. Yes, and it starts with the flow of very mellow vibe. Yeah, it goes, the graph is gonna be like this. So you have to catch up with the speed, with the tempo, with the steps, with the feeling according to the graph. Yeah, it's not it directly starts with a bang. It is not like that. It starts very mellow. Okay, yeah, I hope you're feeling it. Yes, okay, so can we start the choreography now? Let's go. So before we start, I want you all to just stand there in the position, look up slowly for 4 counts. Yeah, you go 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you don't want to do this, it's fine, it's your call. Yeah. This is the first step. The first step goes like 6 right, a bit your diagonal. Yeah, a bit to your diagonal. And then you just collapse your way. It's freestyle, but collapse for 2 counts. You go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Anything. Yeah, you can see 3 of us collapsing in different, melting to be precise, in different positions. So it's your call, however you want to melt. Here, down, up, anywhere you can melt. Yeah, it's your call. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Now, in whatever position you end up, from there, you take your left leg. Yes, you take your left leg. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, you just make a semicircle. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Stop. From there, pull your body to wherever the leg you have, wherever you have placed your leg. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull your body and then slowly look up. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Collapse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, a very generic start. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. You'll just leave. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. You're not moving. You are just there and you're doing 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Perfect. Now, moving forward. From here you go 7, 8. Now he says, Mujhse hi riha. Yeah, that means